My titties do not move. Hey YouTube, it's your girl KiVonShe and I am back with another video. If you are new, hello! Today's video is going to be about the new I Am Magic foundation by Juvia'S, and it's also going to feature a couple of new items that I got, or at least that's new to me. So if you want to see how I got this look or just get the details on what I think about the foundation and everything else that's on my face, then keep on watching. Alright, first I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to go in with the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. And I used this in my previous video as I was like trying to find a new like staple routine. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. And I don't know if this camera is picking up like a lot, but like these right here, I'm working on doing like a skincare series because that's actually gotten a lot better, and I just want to share, you know, what's going on because it's a lot of like skincare routine videos out there of people who like never had any skincare problems. So I want to represent the real faces, you know what I'm saying? So next I'm gonna go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. Okay. All right, so the star of the show today. So I have in front of me the Juvia'S two foundations. This one's in the shade 340, which is Kampala, and this one's in the shade 310, which is Burkina. This one, when I ended up doing the shade match online, the 310 Burkina I think is more so for olive tone, and I feel like that's what I have. Like I'm more olive neutral, but it's getting warmer, and sometimes in the summer those red undertones come out, which is where the 340 is a little bit warmer. So forgive my mask, I just need the primer to kind of set in and hide those pores. I'm going to swatch these on my chest. So the first one we have is Kampala, and I'm just going to do a little bit because this is like a super full coverage. And it blends in really nice. So I don't know if you can tell, the sun is doing a lot. Hopefully that doesn't pick up like when y'all are watching it. But it's kind of red, whereas like my chest is yellow. And then I'm gonna go in with 310, which is Burkina. Did I? Oh, I didn't open it yet. So for anybody who hasn't gotten it, this is the packaging that it comes in, and it kind of has that little aluminum film like most toothpaste have, which honestly I like the packaging because it's better for traveling, and you know, if you drop it, it's not going to break or anything like that. So I think it's super cute, super convenient. And yeah, I travel a lot, so this is actually way convenient for me, and it won't be counted as a liquid, so I can save some room, save some space. So I'm going to go over here with a different finger. My shirt sliding down. So as you can see, they're very close in the deep family, the threes. So I honestly don't know which one I'm gonna use, so I'm going to put on my lashes right quick, and then when I come back, then I guess we'll decide which foundation we're gonna use today. Alright, so I am back and it is time to choose. So I think that the So definitely the lower the number, the darker the shade. And this Juvia's Place, even though it's the star of the show, I am going to use more new products. And since one of those products is a concealer, which is not these concealers, because I bought this at Ulta, and they don't sell the concealers in stores, I did buy another concealer. So I'm actually going to go with 310, which is Burkina. And it is the darker shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So just want to let everybody know this is a super full coverage foundation. I've watched multiple reviews on it before buying, and like it's nuts. Let me make sure I'm not getting out of focus. So honestly, even what I put on this side of my face, it might be too much. Like, that's how full coverage this foundation is. And I'm going to show y'all the other side of my face and then this one, just so you can see. And if I'm being a little quiet, it's because, like, I don't know, I get super shy when other people are in the house with me and I'm filming. And I can't be like as hype because, I don't know, I'm just shy. So if I'm a little quiet, I'm sorry. As far as the application goes, it claims on the bottle that is a velvet matte finish, and honestly it's just super smooth. Like, this is nuts. This is the side of my face with a little bit of the imperfections, and then this is the Juvia's Place side, which for my first like super full coverage foundation at a price point of $20, and I bought two for $40, and my one Estee Lauder was $47, like already I'm sold. So as you can see, that coverage is nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on the other side of my face. A con to having like the squeeze bottle is you can't really like control the pump that you put out, and it's really easy to like put a lot. So if you're somebody who doesn't like super full coverage or have never seen yourself do super full coverage, I would just say take like half of a pea size for your entire face, because this spreads super easily. But me, I'm pretty sure I just did like a full pea size, just because, you know, I looked for a full coverage foundation, so I want to get the benefits and I want to see the effects of having a full coverage foundation, especially while I try to get my skin back together, which it's gotten better. And like I mentioned before, I'm definitely going to do skincare regimen videos for us gals who got fucked up skin. And like, just like that, like I still have texture. I don't expect any foundation to basically make like bumps disappear, but all those dark spots that I showed y'all at the beginning, poof, that moved, son of a. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with the foundation. This is what it's looking like. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up finish up my face with the new products as promised. So first up, I ended up buying the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade, I think this is Deep Tan. And it's just one of the sample ones because, you know, Ulta gets you at the counter. I do have the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, Super Coverage, but it's very close to my skin tone, and I want to brighten up my under eye, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape since everybody's been raving about it, and we're just going to see what that do. Okay, so this is not the full size, but the doe foot or dofa. I don't know what y'all be saying, and I'm too lazy to Google it. But even with this being like the sample size, I do like the size of the applicator. And it's super smooth. So I have been using my Born This Way concealer, and like, I don't know, it's super creamy, it applies super smooth, and this definitely gives me the same feeling. go ahead and do my nose, which I don't even know why I do my nose too much, because I never go back and like actually contour it, because I just got a big ass nose and nothing's gonna fix that except surgery, and I'm not doing that. So, you know, looking at it, maybe it's just like the super thin layer that I applied, but it kind of dries down a little quick. But, you know, we'll see. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It has been washed, but I ended up using this like yesterday for something and didn't clean it. And I'm just gonna spray that right quick. I wanted to sit underneath my under eye for a little bit, so I'm gonna blend everything else first. And as you can see, it blends out super smooth. It's not patchy. I don't feel like it's getting stuck. Oh yeah, this is the perfect color, because even at the checkout, sometimes they just don't have your shade, and I think this was the only deep tan shade. Everything else was light. So I got lucky. And it's also good to note that with the Juvia'S Place, without having their concealer, which I'm ready to get it, and it's only $14, it's always good to know if a product you have works good with other products. And actually for this eye look, I used the Juvia'S Place Zulu palette, and if you like it, it was super quick and it was super easy. So leave a comment in the comment box below if you want to see me do a tutorial on this look, because happy Pride Month. I'm celebrating. I'm part of the family. Happy Pride Month to all of y'all, including the T, because a lot of people like to forget the T in LGBT, but I got love for y'all. Anyways, oh yeah, so all the shit they was talking about, Tarte Shape Tape, and all the reviews that I've seen on Juvia'S foundation, worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and do all that, and then I'm gonna be back with new lip products, and we're gonna finish out this video. So I think I look pretty flawless right now. I just went and lined my under eyes with the Zulu palette by Juvia'S Place with that dark purple, and then I just went and bronzed my face. Something to note, lately I have not been contouring at all. I've just been applying bronzer, and honestly I feel like it's the summertime. When I get tan, you're mostly going to be bronzed. You're not really going to be snatched naturally. So I've just been kind of going for like a natural bronze look. So just want to throw that out there. So if you don't see like super sharp cut lines, that's not really what I've been going for lately. But anyway, something that is not new but new to me, for the lips, once again Ulta got me at the checkout section. I got the ColourPop Strike Twice Mini Liquid Lipstick collection, and this is what it looks like. I'll swatch these. And it's nice little nude lips, which is what I've been looking for a while. So this first one is called Zuma. And that is what Zuma looks like, which will be really cute with the lip that I have on today. Next up we have Champagne Mommy, which this is literally just a sheer gloss. I'm not mad at that. It's good for work purposes. Next up we have Magic Wand. This seems more pale. Yeah. Okay. I'm hoping I'm still in focus. Can you focus on me? Fantasia, which I really need to get to a Fantasia concert though, to be honest. All right. Okay, I'm seeing. So this one's also sheer. So I'm seeing there's a couple of sheer ones. These could possibly be paired together. Last we have Take a Pixie. Oh yeah. Okay. Honestly, Let me go back in one of these sheer ones. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Fantasia. Pop that on the lip. Maybe my lips are just dry, but I don't think it's the smoothest application. But then again, these are the minis, so let me add one of these that has color. Who is this? This is Take a Pixie. Looks good to me. Something I have not done in ages is apply some blush. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani blush in Dolce Pink. Let me open it up because the sun is still pretty much out. So that's what that looks like. You know, I'm feeling a little cute, a little sassy. So this is the final look of the new Juvia'S Place I Am Magic foundation. First impression thoughts, I thought that it applied very smoothly. I'm definitely loving the full coverage, and as somebody who does not have any full coverage foundation, I can see this being in my staple. It does not feel like I have makeup on my face at all. Like, you know how when you feel like you have on makeup, you don't want to talk too much, you don't want to open your mouth or laugh because you know it's gonna like crease and do all this other stuff, and I don't feel that at all. Like you know what I'm saying? So I definitely like that. Like I mentioned before, love the packaging. I think if you're someone like me and you have like super weird undertones and you become like 2 to 3 shades out of a year, it's a really good line because you can find 2 to 3 shades that match you perfectly. And I feel like the 2 shades that I have are both my perfect match. I was in the store and I put both on the other side of my face, on either side of my face, and nobody could tell that I had on 2 different foundations. Yeah, if you want, I don't know, if you want to see how I got this look also using the Juvia'S Place Zulu palette, then like I said before, leave comments in the comment below and I will definitely upload that. It's very beginner friendly and like super easy. I sat down and was like boom boom boom, and I did it in 11 minutes. Like honestly, I did my brows and this neon look in 11 minutes. Like mad easy. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've also purchased this foundation, definitely leave that in the comments below of how you feel about it. And link your IG so that I can see your pictures, like and follow and all of those things. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see y'all in my next video.